Hi, today we are going to see how to solve a Fisher's cube. So this is a Fisher's cube. If you can see, it looks similar to a 3 by 3, but it has been like cut in this angle. If you can, let me show you. Let me put one on top of the other. So like that. So these are the centers. You can see the white and the yellow center clearly, but the rest of the four centers are dual colored. So these ones, and these triangle pieces are the edges, and you have the single colored rectangles, they are the corners. So let me shuffle it and let me show you how to solve this cube. And one more thing is, when you shuffle this cube, it literally shape shifts. So it will lose its shape of being a cube, and this makes this puzzle a bit confusing and difficult, but it is very simple and easy if you follow the algorithms and the patterns. It's very much similar to a regular 3 by 3. So I have scrambled it, and you can see it has shape shifted and looks a lot different from a regular 3 by 3 when you shuffle them. So first we are going to solve the white cross. So let me show you how to do that. So we are going to start with this piece. So take it down, and look for the center piece which has the green and red. So here it is, but when you, so we have to align it a bit. Let me show you. So the putting the white cross is similar to, a bit similar to how you do it in a regular 3 by 3. So if you see the white piece, the cross piece you are going to make is not aligning with the center piece. So take it down and move it away, this piece, and if you're going to see, it's going to be red on the left side and green on the right side. So keep it like that and move it. So what I did is I aligned it, the center piece, the similar way, where the red is facing on the red is facing on the left and green is facing on the right, and aligned it, and now turn it. So you can see we have put one of the piece for the cross. Now in a similar way we have to put the other pieces, but for the other pieces, if you see, the white piece which has to come on this side for the cross should have a green, and similarly the white piece which has to come on this side for the cross should have a red. So this one is here, the green. So let me take it there. So the green and orange center was also there. So just a second, like, See, this cube is a bit difficult to turn since there are different, you can see it's different shapes blocking the way of turning. So it takes a few seconds to align them all and turn it. So after turning it, it also matched along with its centerpiece. So, but this one got a bit messed up, so it's okay. We can turn it and so we have put two pieces for the white cross. In a similar way, we are going to find the other one. Here it has to be orange, so not this one, and here it is. So one more second, I have to align this also again. We can align this. So we have put the three white pieces for the cross. Next will be the fourth one, which should have the blue on the side and which is over here down. So I have to fix that too. So as usual, the centers did not align, so take it away again. So we need to keep the blue on the left side and red on the, now it aligns, and when you again rotate it, it'll, yes. Now you can see we have put the white cross and all the centers also nicely aligned with the up piece and also on the sides. So all this side is blue, this side is orange, this side is green, and this side is red. So after putting the white cross, we are going to put these edge pieces on top, the white edge pieces, which are similar to how you do it in the regular 3x3. So we have to find a red and white edge piece. Which is over here. Bring it down and take it up, and for this is the blue. Next we have to find the green one, and here is the orange one. Then down. You can do the the RU algorithm for this and bring it on the side. So how you do in a regular 3x3 Rubik's Cube. R clockwise to bring, if the white edge is facing down, you can do this, the R clockwise, U clockwise, R prime, R anti-clockwise, and U prime, until you can see the green piece, the green edge gets aligned to this. So the first white layer and the white layer and the first layer is done, and also the centers are done. Now we have to correct these second layer corners, the single piece blocks. So you can see this one has only a single color and it is a rectangle, and it needs to be inserted on its right side. So we'll be using the regular 3x3's algorithm for right side insertion. So D prime, R prime, D prime, R, D, F, D, F prime. So that has inserted the orange piece to the right. Similarly, we have to, you can see here it's placed here itself, so we can easily move this green corner piece to the, again it's on the right side, so we have to use the right side insertion algorithm, the basic one which you use for the 3x3. So again D prime, R prime, D prime, R, D, F, D, and F prime. So it has placed the green corner. Now we have to look for the other. Here is the red one. Bring it here, and we can use the same right insertion algorithm. So D prime, R prime, D prime, R, D, F, D, and F. So that has also placed the red in its correct position. Now we have to look for the blue one over here. So here is the blue. Place it here, straight to the center, and use the same algorithm, and we are going to insert it on the right side. So D prime, R prime, D prime, R, D, F, D, and F. So we have completed the white layer, the white side, the first layer and the second layer. Now we have to invert it and go to the yellow side. And if you see in this yellow side, we have these 3 pieces. So if you get like this 1 or 3, after completing the white side, the first layer and second layer, when you rotate the cube and when you go to the yellow side, and if you see like these 1 or 3 of them, that means you have a OLL parity, and it can be easily fixed using this algorithm. So we are going to place, if you have only one like this, you have to keep it on the right side. So if there, so the main thing is you have to keep that piece facing on the right side. So I have 3, so I can either keep this piece on the right side, or this one on the right side, or this one on the right side. So one of them has to face the right side, and we have to perform this algorithm. So R, U, R prime, U2, R, U2, R prime, U, F prime, U prime, and F. So now you have 2 of them. Again, keep one of the pieces facing the right side, and again perform the same algorithm. R, U, R prime, U2, R, U2, R prime, U, F prime, U prime, and F. Now we have 1. So again, place it facing the right side and again perform the same algorithm. R, U, R prime, U2, R, U2, R prime, U, F prime, F prime, F prime, and U prime, and F. Sometimes this cube, since it's shape shifting, and also sometimes the edges and stuff get mixed up, and they also block the way of rotating, it gets a bit difficult, but you can still manage it. So now there is no more parity, don't see any more of these yellow pieces. So now we have to make the yellow cross. So we are going to see how to make the yellow cross. So after the parity is gone, we are going to fix the yellow cross, so which is similar to how you do it in 3 by 3 using the algorithm F U R U prime R prime F prime. So let's do that until we get the yellow cross. Keep it in any direction and perform the algorithm. U R U prime R prime F prime. So you can see we have got a bar. Then similarly, like how you do in a 3 by 3, keep this bar like this and again perform the algorithm F U R U prime R prime and F prime. So this is another pattern like how you see in a 3 by 3 like a 3 by 3 Rubik's cube for doing the yellow cross. You got this shape, then again keep it like this position and F U R U prime R prime F prime. So after applying the algorithm F U R and U prime R prime F prime, that algorithm, you got the yellow cross. Now we have to try to find and whether we have the same color. Only one side has the same color, all the others are not having the same colors. So we have to try to make all these colors same. Like if there is blue, there should be one more blue over here, like that. So let's see how to make that. So for doing that, we again use the similar 3 by 3 algorithm, which is the assume, so which is R U R prime U R U2 R prime. So keep the one side which has the same color on the top right side, and if you don't have any matching colors, it's okay. But if you have one matching or you have matching colors, keep that on the top right side and perform the algorithm R U R prime U R U2 and R prime, and check for yes, and you can see all these colors have matched up. Now we have to match up with these yellow edges. So this is not red and this is not blue and this is not. So to do that, we are going to perform another algorithm, which is L prime U R U prime L U R prime U prime. So for that, take any, if you have like any matching side, keep it on the lower bottom side, lower right side, and perform the algorithm. So it's L prime U R U prime L U R prime and U prime. So still we have only one, and we are going to perform the algorithm until we fix all these. So L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, U prime. So let's check, and yes, we have all these yellow edges correctly matching their side. So yellow and green, yellow and orange, yellow and blue, and yellow and red. Now next we have to see how to, if you can see these two pieces, they are like flipped and the yellow is facing on the side. So there's one small algorithm which we are going to use it again and again until the whole cube gets fixed. So which is R prime, D prime, R, D. So you have this fixed, so take it away and you need to fix this one. So keep it on your right side and perform the algorithm. R prime, D prime, R, D. Actually this will little bit shuffle up all your pieces, but it's okay. You have to continuously perform this algorithm and the whole cube will get set. So again, R prime, D prime, R, D. So you can see the orange piece is fixed. No need to worry about these. The orange side is fixed. Move it away. The green is already fixed. Move it away, and this one has to be fixed, the red one. So keep it on the lower right side and perform the same algorithm until that gets fixed. So R prime, D prime, R, D. Again, R prime, D prime, R, D. R prime, D prime, R, D. Again, R prime, D prime, R, and D. Now you can see the red is fixed and correctly aligned. Now just rotate the cube and you can see the Fisher cube is solved. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel.